Hello everyone, time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and here I am in Liurnia of the Lakes, and we're going to defeat the Glintstone Dragon Smarag. And you can find them up there in that little 3 marker, and it's pretty much just straight north of the Temple Quarter site. And I have the Lance Talisman equipped just because I like attacking dragons on horseback. Let me pick up these runes from before, and so there he is over there sleeping, and the Glintstone Key is right over there as well, but you don't have to kill the dragon to get the key. You do need the key to get into the Glintstone Castle, but you don't need to kill the dragon to get the key. I'm going to summon Tish, and my level is right around 78, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up there and just whack him on the legs. So I'm going to go around him in a circle and just keep going at his legs. And that's kind of the method that I like to use when I'm fighting dragons. And if I'm on my horse, then that talisman really helps and gives me a little bonus. So let me get back on my horse here. And yeah, if you just stay by the legs for the most part, the dragons aren't that difficult. And then when they fly away, just chase him down. And if he does his breath, just go to the side or go right underneath him. And just go after those legs. And then like the summons doesn't matter too much. I did summon Tish, but it's not a big deal. You can just go around these legs like this. And that'll do the trick. That's kind of the method, easy method that I found for fighting the dragons. I don't advise trying to go head on to the face unless you're really good at dodging. But if you just come over here, again, by the legs, just circle around and just attack those ankles with your sword or whatever weapon that you're using, then it's a pretty easy way to just get him down. And sometimes if you have a good enough weapon, you can stagger him as well and get a few extra hits. But anyway, there you go. That is how I usually defeat the dragons. And in this case, the Glintstone Dragon. And you get your dragon heart. And there you go. Pretty easy method. Give it a try. Let me know if it works for you. Until next time, take care everyone, and happy gaming. Oh, and right over here is the Glintstone Key. I'll just show you that right away. Right over here on this person, you will find the Glintstone Key. I already picked it up, but that is where you'll find it. And there you go.